How to add credit card to Binance app online. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. And without further ado, let's get started. Open up your Binance app on your device and get logged into your account. Once you're at your homepage, click onto the Buy Crypto at the top. And from here, choose the option of Buy. Now at this page, choose which crypto you want to buy. At this box, enter the amount that you are willing to pay. Once you have done that, you will be asked to enter your payment. Under card/bank accounts, go to debit/credit card at the bottom. Lastly, at this page, enter your card information, your name on card, your card number, expiration date, and your CVV. Once you have done that, click on confirm. This is how you add credit card to your Binance app. That's the end of today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and do like and subscribe for more.